Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Coinbase affiliate program for crypto referrals step by step clearly. Visit the Coinbase website. Scroll down to the footer section. Locate and click on the affiliates link. You will be directed to the Coinbase affiliate program page. Read the overview of the affiliate program. Look for the sign up or join now button. Click on the button to start the registration process. Fill out the required personal information. Provide your email address. Create a secure password for your account. Confirm your password. Select your country of residence from the drop-down menu. Read and accept the terms and conditions. If needed, provide additional information based on your chosen promotion method. Click Submit to complete the registration. Check your email for a verification link. Open the email from Coinbase and click the verification link. Return to the Coinbase affiliate program page. Log in using your newly created credentials. Navigate to the dashboard to access your affiliate tools. Generate your unique referral links and promotional materials. Start sharing your referral links to earn commissions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.